So Apple might be in serious trouble because Samsung is about to hit them harder than ever. Just 2 weeks after the iPhone series launch, leaks now confirm that Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming in hot and it's packing 2 game-changing upgrades that could dethrone Apple's Pro models once and for all. First, the performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the very first phone from Samsung which will be powered by Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. And it's already breaking records. This processor clocks up to 4.6 GHz, delivers 20% better CPU performance, a 23% GPU boost, and a whopping 37% faster NPU for AI tasks, all while being 16% more power efficient. Benchmarks show it officially overtakes Apple's A19 Pro in multi-core and single-core scores, which definitely is way higher than the Apple's A19 Pro Bionic, making it the fastest smartphone processor in the world right now. And don't forget, Samsung usually gets an even more optimized for Galaxy edition, which means Apple has to struggle a lot now to catch up with Samsung. But the raw numbers aren't the real deal here. Samsung is about to introduce the biggest video upgrade on any Galaxy phone ever, the brand new APV codec. Think of it as Samsung's answer to Apple's ProRes but smarter. APV supports lossless RAW recording, HDR and log formats with 12-bit color depth, insane detail and dynamic range, and unlike ProRes, it's up to 20% more storage efficient, which means you can shoot cinematic grade videos without eating up your entire storage. Even better, Samsung is adding built-in LUT previews directly inside the Gallery app or in the recording app, so you can apply cinematic looks to your videos instantly. No need for third-party software. Not just this, but Samsung is also gonna add up to the number of frame rates. We will now see 25, 50 and 100 FPS for full HD resolutions and Ultra HD resolution recording, while 25 FPS for 8K recording. So more creative controls definitely along with the LUT support. On top of that, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 unlocks agentic AI capabilities right on the device. Imagine just telling your phone to book a hotel, edit a photo or maybe organize your calendar, and it executes it instantly without needing the cloud. This is where Samsung plans to push far beyond Apple by making AI an actual everyday tool. Other than that, the charging speeds have been spiked as well for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. There will be 65 watts of fast wired charging along with 5000 milliamps of battery. That's huge. So definitely the war between iPhone 17 Pro Max and Galaxy S26 Ultra are just gonna keep getting exciting with all the upcoming leaks and updates. So I would recommend you to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one.